Do you know that you can use Grok to create unlimited AI images for your Folktales video? Grok just recently launched a new feature that you can be able to create unlimited AI images for your Folktales video. Trust me, this is 100% free, and the image is even 100% better than any other platforms. I'm going to show you. I made use of Grok to create this pictures that you are seeing on the screen. That is how amazing it is. With Grok, you can be able to use to create unlimited pictures, unlimited images for your Folktales video. If this is a kind of video that you would like to watch, make sure you stick around and watch to the end, and also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. So without further ado, let's just go into the practical section of this video. Let me take you through a screen record to show you how you can use Grok to generate unlimited images for your Folktales channel. Let's get started. So what you need to do first is for you to go to Play Store or App Store to download Grok if you do not have Grok. So this is my Play Store. So I'm going to search for Grok. Okay, you can see here Grok. Click on it. So you have to download. You see this Grok AI assistant. So go ahead to click on it to download. I have already downloaded. That's why my phone is showing open. So once you download it, install it to your phone. We'll head over to Grok. I'm going to click on Grok here. So once you click on Grok, this is my Grok interface. This is how to navigate through it. Okay, so once you get to this point, come over to where you have imaging. You can see it is 100% free. It is 100% free. So just click on imaging. Okay, you can see here type to imaging. I'm going to paste my prompt. This is where you can paste your prompts. So I'm going to paste my prompt here, and then I'm going to click here to send. Wait for it to generate. Okay, you can see that what was the prompt? Let me check. Favor waking up in bed at night, eyes wide in terror as a fat cockroach crawls out of his open mouth onto his chest. You can see that. You can see how amazing it is. You can see how amazing this is. Okay, and it's not only giving you only one. You have several other images that you can use. Up to, okay, let's count. This is amazing. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and it try as much as possible to give you avatar of the image. For instance, you can like a mix of normal images and avatars. So that is how amazing. You can see here how many. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, okay, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. This is too much. This is too much. This is already too much. Okay, and it keeps coming. As many as you want to, you can use Grok to generate unlimited images for your Folktales channel. Trust me, this is a game changer, and you really need to make the most use of it. So I'm going to go and copy another prompt so that you will see it yourself. Like I'm going to go and copy another prompt to test so that you will see it, okay, yourself. So let me go back to my ChatGPT to copy another prompt. Okay, now this happens to be images that I want to generate for my Folktales channel. So it's not only that, like I will make use of those images that you are seeing there. So I'm going to come back and copy another prompt. A small run-down roadside restaurant with peeling blue paint, broken signboard, and men drinking palm wine outside. So I'm going to copy this particular prompt. Let's see what will happen, if it will be able to just bring out exactly what is in this particular prompt. I'm just surprised. Let's see what will happen. So I'm back to my Grok and then click here to type. So I'm going to paste. Oh my goodness, let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. So I'm going to send. My God, let's see if it will be able to capture everything. Oh my goodness. You see. Let's read the prompt again so that you will see. A small rundown roadside restaurant with peeling blue paint. Peeling. See, it captures that. Broken signboard. You can see broken signboard. See, it also captures that. And men drinking palm wine outside. Oh my goodness. Tell me, like it captures exactly what is in that prompt. Tell me why you will not make use of Grok to generate your images, your Folktales videos. Yes, tell me why you will not make use of Grok to generate images for your Folktales channel. This is so amazing. And it also captures restaurant, raw donor restaurant. You can see that. And like unlimited images, and it try as much as possible to give you avatar that represents the real image. You see, unlimited. I'm talking to you, like I said, unlimited. As at the time of making this video, it is free. You can see it is showing here free. It is free as at the time of making this video. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to use Grok to make your Folktales, like to make your Folktales video from the very beginning to the end using Grok. To make a video, like a full video using Grok, I'm going to show you. So you need to make sure that you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that when the video is live, the video will be live this week, so that when the video is live, you are going to be notified. Okay, and also share this video and drop your comment. Make sure you drop your comment in the comment section. If not for any other thing, just tell me thank you for revealing this secret to you. Just tell me thank you in the comment section. You can see I said unlimited. You need to take advantage of this before they monetize it, because I know once they see more people coming in to make use of this, they are going to monetize it immediately. So you can use this to create as many videos, like as many images as possible, and keep for your future purpose. Yes, for your future use before they monetize. They just launched this feature and it is amazing. I said unlimited. You can see this one, unlimited images, and it gives you different settings. People that are even sitting outside to drink as well, you can see this particular one, different settings, so that you can make the most out of it. This, I said unlimited. It keeps coming as you scroll down. It keeps coming. It's very amazing. So I'm going to try the last one. If you've watched this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I've noticed that a lot of my viewers are not subscribing to my channel. What happened? Please go ahead to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So let's continue. I'm going to try out the last one so that you will also see. So let me go to ChatGPT again. So I'm going to copy another one. Let's try different settings. So let's try number 3. Oily sticky floor, flies buzzing around, rats droppings in the corner, and a half-dead lizard by the door. Let me see if it will be able to capture this particular setting, because to me I feel it's too much already. So let's see. I'm already in Grok and then I've copied the prompt. So let's see what will happen. So I'm going to send. Let's see if it will capture this particular one, because it's a lot already. My goodness, people of God, it does. It captures. My God, oh, let us read the prompt again. Oily sticky floor, flies buzzing around, rat droppings in the corner, and a half-dead lizard by the door. My God, oh, see lizard here now. See oil now. See See, oh, it still lives at that side. See, oh, my God, it's captured, though. It's captured. See. See, oh, see. My God, this is amazing. And also, it gave me avatar for me to see now. See flies. Jesus. If you're not making use of Grok to create your images, you are losing. Oh, better grab this opportunity with both hands immediately. Go and start making use of Grok to create your realistic images for your Folktales channel. Go and start now. See, I said unlimited. You can never get to the end of it. Unlimited images. As I said in that video, not tomorrow now, you will come and tell me I said unlimited and it's not unlimited. As at the time of making this video, I said it's unlimited. Oh, see, oh, I've not gotten to the end. I really hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to drop a comment in the comment section. Just tell me thank you. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Like, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. As I said, within the week, I'm going to show you how to use this to create your Folktales video from the very beginning, using Grok to create your Folktales video from the very beginning to the end. And I'm going to also show you how to make use of this to generate videos, not only images. So you can use this to generate videos. I'm going to show you how you can also use this to generate videos for your Folktales channel. Not only your Folktales, you can use the video to promote your product or whatever. I'm going to also show you. So thank you for watching to this point. See you in my next video. Alright, we've come to the end of today's video and I hope you found it helpful. Do not forget to give a like. Also subscribe to this channel and drop your comments in the comment section. I would like to read your comments. Thank you and see you in my next one. Bye.